Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. I have a goodie for you when it comes to carpet cleaning, or don't mind my refrigerator here, carpet cleaning, grout cleaning, mattress cleaning, and no, it is not shaving cream, although I have a ton of videos related to that. Let's say you dump some ketchup on your carpet, or someone peed in your bed, or some blood, or whatever it may be. You all, I'm loving this. I love all things OxiClean. I've made a ton of videos for stain removal, but the best part about this is it comes in a foam spray mechanism, just like this. So this is why I love it for grout, because you can easily spray your grout line. So what you wanna do, let me show this to you here really quick. This is pretty nice on your car. I don't love this brush right here. So in fact, if I was doing my grout lines, I would rip this top off and it would just make it easier. This works awesome right here. You can see, great for carpet, fabric, leather, and vinyl. So what you wanna do is you wanna spray it on your stain. What I like to do here is just take the back of a toothbrush like this and just really work it into the stain. Let it sit for about 30 seconds depending upon the severity of the stain, and then you can come back and either use the top of this nozzle right here. Again, use at your own risk, whatever you decide. I mean, it is pretty tough. This would work great for grout, but I'm gonna let that sit for just a hot second, and I will show you how amazing this is at removing a ketchup stain of all things. Look at this right here. You can see over 101 ways to use. I love this, but this is the powder form, and then you gotta mix it with warm water. And if you don't wanna do that, you're gonna wanna get yourself some spray foam. I will link that in the description box below. By the way, this has a nice fresh scent, and it's not too overpowering. This is not sponsored by OxiClean, by the way, but if you want to sponsor me, OxiClean, I would be down for that. Especially love the OxiClean for your whites. It smells awesome, works great. All right, so you've let your stain sit for at least 30 seconds according to the instructions on the can. I'm just gonna use a really soft bristled toothbrush. This is just, you gotta have this in your cleaning arsenal. Watch. Yes, yes, yes. Bam, baby, bam. And that will continue to lighten up. Catch up, my friend, catch up. This will continue to lighten up even more as the fabric dries. If you have not tried this, you definitely need to. The spray foam action is genius. All right, if you're wondering what happens when you put shaving cream in your trash can, click the video on screen now, give this video a thumbs up, sign up for the weekly newsletter, and see you, my friend, in the next one.